Welcome back to the channel, guys. So some breaking news on the Epstein situation. There was court documents released that alleged that a number of people, Prince Andrew, Richard Branson, and one other person, I forget their name, we're going to get into a little news article now in just a minute. Apparently there was sex tapes of these people. Now, this is just allegations. We don't know if they're true, but they're in documents apparently that were released. Actually, I'm not even 100% sure about that. Don't take what I say as credible information. There's actually a disclaimer. Everything I'm about to say is false. It's not factual. If you want your news, go to the BBC or CNN and make sure that you're triple vaxxed. Make sure that you're involved in woke culture. Make sure you're afraid of, you're doing your part for climate change. Do not listen to me. I am just a whack job, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now we've got that out of the way. Yeah, there's some breaking news in this here. I don't want to speak out of turn here before I read. I've just read a headline, and we know what the headlines are like. It can mean anything. It can mean the exact opposite of what the headline actually is. But first off, guys, remember to smash the like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. The only toll you have to pay for this channel is liking the video, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. That's all I want you to do. If you really want to help me out, is you can share, copy link to clipboard, send to your friend on Facebook or WhatsApp Messenger. You know, channels speaking about this here getting hit hard at the minute. The only way to really fight against this, especially when you're a small channel like me, is to ask people to share. I do get a lot of shares, and thank you very much. And if you want to go follow me on free speech platforms like Rumble and X, the links for them can be in the description. Sorry, not the links, the handles for them can be in the description, because YouTube have taken my ability away to post links in the description for whatever reason, because they don't want me directing you to free speech platforms, in my opinion. So let's get into this now. Let's see what's actually going on here. Court documents allege sex tapes taken of Prince Andrew, Bill Clinton, and Sir Richard Branson by Jeffrey Epstein. And just with the title alone, the fact that they have to use allege means there hasn't been any evidence of this. Now, you know, we can only speculate. We've only been speculating for some time now that these things do exist. But every day that goes by, there's one little piece of the puzzle that's just added. And I do think one day we're just going to see the full picture, and the people that were called whack jobs and conspiracy theorists, we're going to be once again proven that we're right. So give yourself a clap on the back if you're a conspiracy theorist. Look at the handsome chap there, is the guy that can't sweat and invited a sex offender to a party after he was convicted. Sex tapes are alleged to have been taken of Prince Andrew, Bill Clinton, and Sir Richard Branson by Jeffrey Epstein, court documents have revealed. Sarah Ransom, who says she was a victim of Epstein, wrote in emails to a reporter in 2016 outlining claims the Duke of York, the ex-US president, and the billionaire businessman were filmed having sex with her unnamed friend on separate occasions by the Speedo US financer. Now, you have to understand something about Sarah Ransom. She made an allegation about Donald Trump too. So, you know, that was retracted. A lot was retracted. I don't know. You know, I don't trust any of them. People are like, oh, we love Trump. We love Trump. Listen, don't trust any of these people. Trust me in that. Don't trust any of them. Sarah Ransom, who says she was the victim of Epstein, wrote in emails to a reporter in 2016 outlining claims the Duke of York, actually, I've read that there, a firm representing Epstein's lawyer, Alan Dershowitz, highlighted the allegations to demonstrate Miss Ransom's manifestly lacks credibility. Well, she retracted the thing on Trump, and I do believe that she. Look, I don't want to victim shame here, but there is a little bit of a question mark over this lady. I will say that. But listen, the question mark is Trump. The rest, the thing about it is, people say, well, you know, Trump's clean. Okay, Trump's clean. I accept that. He was totally 100% made clean in the court documents. But this lady has some serious allegations against all these guys. I'm not saying it's true. I'm not saying it's false. I'm just saying this is what she's saying. The claims were included in hundreds of documents that the US judge has ordered to be unsealed as part of a civil claim by Andrew's accuser, Virginia, against Ghislaine Maxwell, which was filed in 2015 and settled in 2017. Despite the defamation case being concluded 7 years ago, the Miami Herald successfully fought to make the names and documents associated with it public. Fair play. Andrew has strenuously denied any wrongdoing. Miss Ransom gave a victim impact statement ahead of Epstein's former girlfriend and long-term associate Associate Maxwell being sentenced for sex trafficking in 2022. A New Yorker article released in 2019 reported Miss Ransom admitted she had invented the tapes to draw attention to Epstein's behavior and to make him believe that she had evidence that would come out if he harmed me. Okay. So she used that as sort of leverage. So how can you take what she says as credible now? On behalf of Sir Richard Branson and a Virgin Group spokeswoman said, in a New Yorker report published in 2019, Ransom admitted that she had invented the tapes. She can confirm that Sarah Ransom's claims are baseless and unfounded. Mr. Clinton's representatives have not commented after being approached by Sky News. So I'm assuming that it could mean absolutely nothing. This could mean absolutely nothing. And, once again, we're left in limbo. I'm going to give you my opinion on what I think's happening here. So what I think's happening here, there's a lot of stuff coming out. So let's take what she said. Let's take what people are saying, why she done it in the first place, that woman Ransom. So she said she came out with all this here because she wanted leverage over the clan, over Epstein, because she didn't want to be harmed. Do you know what I mean? So she came out with this here as if she had evidence. Now, think about this, right? If he didn't record anybody, right, then he would know that she was talking shit, and he would be like, well, I didn't record anybody, so I know you don't have those tapes because those tapes don't exist. So for her to actually use that as leverage, he must have actually been recording people like in compromised positions with young girls. I'll just keep it like that, to think that she might have some type of evidence over him. So it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. The only thing I'll say is when it comes to Trump, it came out in the documents that, people were asking, do you know Trump? Yes. Did he have sex with underage girls? No. Did he join in the orgies? No. But when it comes to all the other people, it was like, yes, 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 yes. So do you know what I mean? But what you're seeing here is one step further to the truth. It takes these little things to just nudge it a little bit further. And what we could be witnessing here is another break in the mold, another break in the wall, because right now the dam has burst. It's absolutely decimated the village, but there's still houses built. There's still houses standing. And there's, with every little bit of information that comes out day by day, it's another house that's fell. Do you know what I mean? Until it fills up again and another dam bursts. And trust me, guys, there is more dams to burst. That's all I can say on that. There's many more Jeffrey Epsteins, a lot of them. And there's a lot of these Jeffrey Epsteins that are scrambling at the minute. The fact that Bill Clinton, the rest of them came out and sort of give a statement on that, but the fact that Bill Clinton didn't come out and give a statement on that is a bit of an indication he knows what the crack is. I think there's a lot of evidence in Bill Clinton. I think it hasn't came out into the public domain because it comes under national security, and anything that breaches national security or is a threat to national security, the US government can suppress. It's the same as the British government. It's the same as any government, actually. But this woman doesn't have much credibility because of how she came to fruition. But at the same time, she might not be lying. Do you know what I mean? She might not be lying. And we can't bog herself down into this. Well, she spoke about Trump and I love Trump, so I'm not going to take what she says serious. She has some serious things to say about all these ones. So yeah, that's a bit of breaking news, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you very much for tuning in. Peace.